Where was Meluha? The historians and archaeologists have described well regarding this question in the light of trade relations of Meluha with Sumerian and Mesopotamian civilizations. But none has pointed out the exact location of Meluha yet. According to Sumerian writings, Dilmun of Bahrain and Makkan or Makran were between Sumer and Meluha. Certainly, the Mesopotamian writings show the location of Meluha in Indus Valley. The Mesopotamian textual evidences indicate to be believed Meluha as Mohenjo-daro. Some historians have stated that Mesopotamians used Meluha for Indus region, and it was ancient name of Indus River. From this point of view, we can consider that the Mehran is also ancient name of Indus River. While the map of Indus Meluha country included in book Legend of Ram by Goose shows entire Indus Valley civilization. The site of Indus Valley, Mohenjo-daro, is mentioned in this map as well. Naim Tahir also thinks Meluha as Indus Valley. He further describes that at that time, Dravidian languages were spoken beyond their present location, particularly Gujarat, Western India, and possibly in Sindh, southern Pakistan. Some historians have described that Indus merchants were settled in Sumer at the end of 3rd millennium BC. They had helped Sumerians regarding construction of temple by supplying wood and other raw material. Meluha is mentioned as village and people of Meluha as Meluha sons in Sumerian texts. Agarwal and Naim Tahir have also described on the basis of Mesopotamian literary evidences that Meluha was associated with Indus civilization and geographically covered provinces now included in Pakistan as Punjab and Sindh. The statement of Marshall Cavendish clearly indicates to Meluha as Mohenjo-daro. He writes that in Meluha there were abundance of waters. Each house had attached bathroom, and there was central pool of water in Meluha. The water pool can be considered as great bath explored at Mohenjo-daro. Ahmad Hassan Dani is of the opinion that Meluha denotes Mallah or Mohana, who were men of river or sea. Some historians have supported this opinion. To me, most probably, the name Meluha, called in 3rd millennium BC, is distortion of Melahe, Malahena, Mohena, or Mohe, but the Sumerian and Mesopotamians might have pronounced according to their dialect. Later, after exploration, John Marshall named it local name Mohenjo-daro. Some call it Mohenjo-daro, means Mound of the Dead, which is not appropriate name because all explored ancient mounds including Mohenjo-daro are the remains of the dead. However, authentic research will open the door to authentic opinion about Meluha of 3rd millennium BC.